नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है विनीत। मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूं करियर एंड नॉलेज ओशन यूट्यूब चैनल पे। तो मैं आज आपके लिए एक नया वैकेंसी लेके आया हूं जिसका नाम है जॉब्स इन एप्पल। तो आपने सही सुना है दोस्तों, जॉब्स इन एप्पल। तो मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूं स्टेप बाय स्टेप आप कैसे अप्लाई कर सकते हो, क्या क्या इसकी एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया है, सब चीज़ मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ। ये वीडियो को ध्यान से देखिएगा क्योंकि इसका सैलरी पैकेज बहुत ही अच्छा और बहुत ही ज़्यादा, और ये बहुत रिनाउंड ब्रांड है। ठीक है, हर एक बंदा का चाहता होता है कि वो एप्पल में काम करे। ठीक है, तो चलते हैं अब स्क्रीन पे।
Now we are in the screen. So friends, today I'm very excited to share this great opportunity of jobs in Apple. So there are many posts. Okay, there is 1,000+ posts, so don't worry. Okay, so my motto is you should keep trying and searching for the opportunity. Okay, definitely one day you will get a job. I have believe in you, and you must have believe in yourself as well. So first what you have to type in is www.apple.com India. That's it. As you can see, there is second option which is written Apple India, so you have to click over here. Okay, you have landed into this website. So I'm very, what you can say, pleased to see this iPhone 12. So this is not our main matter of this video. Our main content is how to get a job or how to find this. So here you have to type jobs at Apple. Just you have to search. Okay, you have to go with the second one here as well. Okay, just join as BU. Okay, if you want you can watch this as well, but just click search over here. Yeah, here you go. There are a lot of vacancies. See guys, see, lot of vacancies. Okay, see each and every vacancies. There must be a vacancy which is what you can say, which match to your profile. So you have to look each and every post. So I will look for global supply manager. I'm looking it for randomly. Don't think that I'm taking consideration any specific what you can say post. So yeah, see here you can see that imagine what you could do here. So you have to read this before applying. So strong analytic and critical thinking, super communication and interpersonal skills, ability to balance sudden set balance. Okay, these all things you have to do. Okay, you have to study. You should have these kind of what you can say abilities. Okay, after that what you have to do is you have to have a master degree which is MBA or any masters. Okay, and if you have BA and BS, okay, bachelor in science with 6 years experience, even you can have a master's as well. Okay, you can submit your CV over here. If you will click over here, it will directly take into the Apple ID. You have to create this if you don't have. If you have one, directly a portal will open where you can submit your CV, and here you go. You are done with your submission, and next step is you will get or you will receive a mail from them, or further negotiation will be done. And if God grace is there and your luck goes well and your CV is very well what you can say well designed and appropriate accordingly, and if this post match to your profile, definitely they're gonna select you and they're gonna call you for an interview and stuff like that. So don't worry, keep applying and keep trying. So thank you friends for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like this video, do share this video, do comment on this video, do subscribe please friends, because it will give me a lot of boost up to make more such videos like this. I hope you like this video friends, so don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell icon. Thank you friends.